Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys enjoyed today's tutorial. So let's assume that you have a gele that is up to 100 inches in length. You divide it into two, then you take out 5 inches to the other side. So it is going to, you divide it into 55 by 45, and then you fold the edges in like about an inch in, and then you pick a pleat on it, so it makes two plates. Then you place it on the head. One side has to be longer than the other. That's why I said 55 by 45. So after placing it, you ask your bride or your client to hold it on both sides, and you go to the back. I'm just trying to place it properly, making sure one side is actually longer than the other side. After doing that, I go to the back and then I cross the shorter one on top. I bring the shorter one on top of the longer one. As you can see what I'm doing. Then you give her the longer one to hold, while picking the shorter one and then placing it on top of her head, while I start to pick my plates. So I pick the plates. We already have 2 plates on ground already. Then I pick extra 4 plates to make it 6. You also have to make sure the plates are equal. I was a bit in a rush while doing this video because I had another client waiting for me. I had a client waiting for me, and I was recording while she came in. So you have to make sure the plates are equal. So I picked 4 plates. So I'm just arranging it well. So after doing that, I placed the longer one now on top of that, as you can see, and then I picked 4 plates. I picked 3 extra plates. As you place, you already placed 1 plate, then I picked 3 extra plates at first. So that's it. We have now, we have 6 on ground before. Now we have 10 plates. So I'm just making sure I arrange those plates properly to the other side. And then I ask her to hold it down. Then I start picking my plates from one side to the other side. So now while picking these plates, you have to make sure they are on top of each other. You pick and then you make sure they are on top of each other. So I just kept pleating, picking it on top of each other until I reached the end of the gele. Now this gele is a 4 hawe gele. It is best for you to use a gele that has 4 layers, or also called 4 hawe. If I did not have a cleanse, the gele would have been a bit bigger. The end result would have been bigger, but like I said earlier, I was rushing. So now I'm done picking the plates. So I go to the other side to make sure my plates are well arranged. So I pulled it out a bit. And then I start arranging my plates. So I'm trying to arrange my plates. So as I'm doing that, I'm pulling it, I pick the plates, and then I pull just to make it higher. I arrange. And then I pull. Arrange and I pull. So you keep pulling until you are okay with the size of the gele. Don't mind how scattered it is right now. I would arrange it when I'm done. So after I'm done with that, I made sure she was pressing the pleats down. And then I go to the back. So I just roll the excess at the back. I roll it that way, and then I divide this one into 2, and then I tie. So you have to make sure the excess at the back is the one that comes from top while tying. After doing that, I start arranging my pleats. For more detailed tutorial, you can join my brother's WhatsApp class. You can be rest assured it's a well detailed class. The class is just for 3,000 naira. You understand how to tie gele, different types of gele, the bridal fan, the round plates. So join his class to understand more about gele. So I'm just arranging the plates, the remaining plates, to the back, and then I put it in between what I already tied, and then I tied it. So I'm just going to make sure I arrange my pleats properly. As you can see, I was a bit in a haste. I did not even wait to check if the gele were both equal or not. I was just doing my thing. But with these, I hope you understand the little I just put out there. So don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to share, and don't forget to practice. Until my next video, guys. I love you guys. Bye.